Attention fifth graders. Recently, I introduced you to the 3D software Maker's Empire. I'd like to offer the fifth grade a design challenge. Do you recognize this little dude? His name is Gorgu, and he is a Star Wars character on a show called The Mandalorian. He's also known as Baby Yoda. Your challenge is to use Shaper on Maker's Empire to make a 3D drawing of this little guy. And, oh boy, hang on, kids.
Have you told the children about the Darth Vader design challenge?
I was just getting to that, Lord Vader.
You disappoint me.
I'll be done in like 5 minutes, I'm sorry.
You have failed me for the last time.
Sorry. Give me like 2 minutes, okay?
Impressive. Obi-Wan has taught you well.
Obi-Wan. Okay, I guess I'll get back to this then, okay?
Together we will rule the galaxy as father and son.
Okay, thank you, Lord Vader. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Sorry about that, bud. Wow, I escaped that one. Okay, kids. Here, that guy's scary. He wants us to do a design challenge with him, but I don't know about that. So this Gorgu challenge, should you choose to do this, you're going to use Shaper on Maker's Empire to draw the design of Gorgu. You can choose the whole body or just his head. I don't care which one. When you finish it, you're going to use a sign-up sheet on the outside of my room. You're going to see a clipboard there. You're going to sign your full name, first and last, and your teacher's name. That's when you finish your design. Then I'll go into your Maker's Empire account, and I'm going to print your design and give it to you. Okay? And then we'll come back on the announcements and show off what everybody was able to make. You want to make it as detailed as you can. Spend some time doing it. You're going to have all of the Thanksgiving week off, so take that time, and then you'll have the next week after. This thing is going to be due December 3rd. So good luck, and may the Force be with you.